Today we're going to make probably the easiest thing you can make in the Instant Pot, spaghetti and meatballs. So all you're going to need is some frozen meatballs, some pasta of any kind, marinara sauce or pasta sauce, and water. So you add 3 cups of water to start into the Instant Pot, and then your jar of pasta sauce. Next, you add half a box of pasta. I like to use bow tie, but you can use whatever you want. And then about a half a bag of the meatballs. And you want to make sure all of the noodles are pushed under the liquid so they're cooked properly. Then you want to make sure you put the seal on your lid if you haven't already, and lock it into place and put it onto sealing. And then I do high pressure for 3 minutes. Once the timer has gone off, you're going to want to wait about 5 minutes for it to naturally release. If there is still some pressure after the 5 minutes, it's okay to release that at this point. I find it easiest to just reach from the left side, and I never find any issues with getting burned or having anything sputter at me. That's it. You have perfectly cooked pasta and meatballs, only using 1 pot and no mess on the stove, and it only takes about 15 minutes total. So this is an awesome weeknight meal when you're in a hurry. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.